Case name Devki Nandan and other vs Muralidharan other. Reference AIR 1957 Supreme Court 133. Parties. Vadi, Apilati, Devki Nandan and another. Prativadi, Muralidhar and others. Case details. The case is about a temple trust, specifically concerning a temple built by Shivgulam in Sitapur. Shivgulam, a Hindu, constructed a temple and installed an idol of Radha Krishna between 1914-1916. He used to worship the idol as his personal property. In 1928, Shivgulam had no children. In 1919, he made a will and appointed Shivgulam's wife, Srimati Rajkuvar, as the manager of his property. After Shivgulam's death in 1933, the management of the temple passed to his wife. The will states that after her death, the management would pass to his nephew, who is the Pratam Prativadi. The nephew was appointed as the manager of the property and trust property. The appeal. The appellati, appellant, claims that Shivgulam's nephew is not a relative of Shivgulam. The appellant argues that since he is managing the temple, he should be removed from his post, as the public has the right to worship at the temple. The appellant believes the temple is a public property, not a private one. The appellant tried to get approval for a lawsuit under Section 92 of the Civil Procedure Code, but his application was dismissed. The appellant then filed a declaratory suit asserting that the idol of Thakur is public property and all Hindus have the right to worship there. The Pratam Prativadi denied this claim, arguing that the temple and the idols are the private property of Thakur, and the public has no right to interfere. Lower court decisions. The trial court dismissed the appellant's claim. The first appeal to the district court was also dismissed. The Chief Justice then dismissed the second appeal as well. Supreme Court appeal. The appeal has now reached the Supreme Court. The main question is whether the temple of Krishna and the idol are public property or private property created by the Thakur. The document also discusses the difference between public trusts and private trusts. Key difference highlighted. In a private trust, the beneficiaries are a specific family or group, while in a public trust, the beneficiaries are the entire public. It's more difficult to define the beneficiaries in a public trust. The document mentions that in Hindu law, a devasthan, temple, can be a public or private trust. A property can be a trust, and the property holder can be a trustee. The trust can be held by a devasthan, but it is not a beneficiary. A real beneficiary is a person who performs worship. The case also mentions that it seems Shivgulam intended to make the property public, as there is a presumption that can be made. The establishment of the idol and the rules for worship also seem to indicate this. The appellate court accepted the rules set by the lower court. Principles of law laid down. 1. The main difference between a public and private trust lies in the beneficiaries. In a public trust, the entire public are beneficiaries, while in a private trust, it is the members of a specific family. 2. A devasthan is a trust under Hindu law. 3. Such a situation can exist where it is said that the temple is for the public. 4. If a devasthan is established for public use without any restrictions, a presumption can be made that it is for the public.